Hello everyone. Today we'll unbox an error coin that's just arrived. Let's see what we got here. Nice beautiful stamps here. Also, as you can see, from Belgium, most of them. Almost of them. Let's see here what we got from our guest. That's a coin from Italy. Italian coin. Lire, 100 lire. Let's see. Where is the error here? Lire italiana, 1964. Let's see where is the error here. As you can see, letters are missing here. Normally should say Repubblica, but as you can see, the letters are missing here. This one can worth 20 to 30 euros. That's why you should keep an eye open in your coins. Check them good. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.